Hey there, beautiful people, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your cozy corner of the internet where we turn house envy into real, doable inspiration. I am so excited about today's video because we are diving deep into one of my absolute favorite design universes, the modern farmhouse style, bathed in the warm, soulful neutrals made iconic by the one and only Becki Owens. We're talking creamy linens, sun-kissed wood tones, and that effortless early summer warmth that just makes a home feel like a big, welcoming hug. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button right now and ring the bell. You do not want to miss a single idea. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you a farmhouse lover or are you just discovering this style? Let's get into it. Your home's exterior is the opening sentence of its story, and in modern farmhouse design, that story is warm, grounded, and quietly stunning. Think white or soft grayish board-and-batten siding paired with dark bronze or matte black window frames, a contrast that Becki Owens uses masterfully to give depth without drama. Add a deep charcoal or forest green front door as a soft focal point. Window boxes spilling over with summer greenery like trailing ivy or white petunias bring that early summer freshness to life. A simple copper or black house number plaque, a woven natural fiber doormat, and a single lantern-style porch light complete this picture-perfect farmhouse curb appeal with timeless grace. The entryway is where your home exhales and says, "You're home now." In Becki Owens' world, this means purposeful warmth from the very first step. A slim shiplap paneled wall in soft white or warm ivory sets the tone immediately. Hang a round or archtop wooden mirror, aged oak or whitewashed, to bounce light and add visual softness. A wall-mounted coat and hat rack in black iron with wooden pegs handles everyday function beautifully. Below it, a low bench in natural wrought tan or whitewashed wood doubles as a seat and a spot to stash shoes in a woven basket underneath. Finish with a chunky jute mat, a small ceramic tray for keys, and one trailing plant on a low shelf. Simple, intentional, and completely charming. This is the room where the magic truly lives. A modern farmhouse living room in Becki Owens' signature style centers on what designers call a tonal neutral palette, layering varying shades of white, cream, warm sand, and soft putty so the room feels rich without being loud. Start with a large, deep-seated linen or cotton sofa in oatmeal or warm white, and layer it with textured throw pillows in terracotta, sage green, and natural linen. Ground the space with a chunky jute or wool area rug. A reclaimed wood coffee table or one in light oak brings organic warmth, styled with a tray, a candle cluster, a small vase of dried pampas grass, and a linen-bound book stack. Sheer white curtains that puddle lightly on the floor add that effortless summer airiness. The farmhouse dining room is all about that gathered around the table feeling, unhurried, generous, and full of warmth. Choose a solid wood dining table in a light natural oak or whitewashed finish. A trestle base or turn-leg design gives it that authentic farmhouse character Becki Owens loves. Pair it with a mix of seating, upholstered chairs in cream boucle at the heads and simple wooden or wrought tan chairs along the sides for that effortless collected look. For the table itself, layer a washed linen table runner, ceramic stoneware plates in matte white or sage, amber glassware, and a low centerpiece of fresh summer blooms. Think white ranunculus or pale yellow sunflowers in a simple terracotta vase. A vintage-style iron chandelier overhead ties it all together beautifully. The farmhouse kitchen is arguably the crown jewel of this entire style, and Becki Owens handles it like no other. Start with shaker-style cabinetry in soft white or warm grayish. Lower cabinets can go slightly deeper in tone for grounding contrast. Open upper shelving in natural wood displays linen-textured dishes, glass canisters of dried goods, and a trailing pothose plant for life and greenness. A farmhouse apron-front sink in white porcelain is non-negotiable. It's the soul of this kitchen. A stainless or matte black refrigerator sits cleanly against the cabinetry, while a freestanding or slide-in gas range in matte white adds heritage charm. On the counter, a small cafe-style coffee machine in brushed silver or cream sits on a little wooden tray beside a glass jar of coffee beans. Morning ritual made beautiful and intentional. The family room is where design meets real, lived-in life, and that is exactly where modern farmhouse style shines brightest. Becki Owens always champions comfort without sacrificing beauty, so think deep, slipcover-friendly sofas in washed linen that actually invite you to sink in. Mount a slim-profile flat-screen TV on a shiplap feature wall, painted in warm white. The horizontal lines of the shiplap add texture and architectural interest without overwhelming the space. Frame the TV with floating wooden shelves styled with trailing plants, woven baskets, ceramic vessels, and a small framed print or two. A large, soft, chunky knit throw draped over the sofa arm, an oversized floor cushion, and a wooden tray coffee table keep this space feeling grounded, welcoming, and genuinely livable every single day. The modern farmhouse home perfectly accommodates the multifunctional life we all live today. Carve out a quiet corner or alcove and make it earn its keep on multiple levels. Choose a small, unique desk. Think a vintage school desk refinished in white, or a slim live-edge walnut writing table that feels like a statement piece rather than just furniture. On the desk surface, place a small brass or matte black analog desk watch because it adds both function and an heirloom quality that interior designers adore. A compact vintage-style tabletop radio in cream or sage adds character and soft background music to your work rhythm. Just steps away, build a reading nook into a window bay or corner with a linen cushioned bench, a basket of your current reads, a floor lamp, and a small side table for your tea. Pure everyday luxury. The farmhouse bedroom should feel like the world has gone completely quiet. Becki Owens layers bedding in the most beautiful way. Start with crisp white cotton sheets. Add a quilted or waffle weave coverlet in warm ivory. Then fold a chunky linen duvet at the foot of the bed in a soft sage or dusty blue for that early summer color touch. The headboard should be simple and grounded. Think a linen upholstered panel in warm grayish or a reclaimed wood plank headboard. Nightstands in natural oak or cane front designs carry a small lamp with a linen shade, a ceramic bud vase with one stem, and that good book you've been meaning to finish. Woven window shades filter the morning light beautifully. This room is your reward at the end of every single day. Even the farmhouse bathroom can feel like a quiet luxury when you pay attention to the details. Opt for a standalone or pedestal wastafel. A vessel sink in matte white ceramic on a live-edge wood vanity top feels incredibly warm and organic. Wall-mounted matte black faucets and fixtures add that sophisticated contrast Becki Owens uses so confidently throughout her designs. The shower area shines with large format subway tiles in warm white or soft grayish, kept clean and minimal. A frameless glass panel or simple linen curtain keeps the look open and airy. Layer in warmth with a teak bath mat, a woven basket of rolled linen towels, a small potted eucalyptus plant, and a terracotta soap dish. A simple round mirror with a thin black or wood frame completes this beautiful, spa-inspired farmhouse retreat. Here is where we talk about the behind-the-scenes magic, the actual how-to that makes Becki Owens spaces feel so cohesive and calm. First, always build your palette from one anchor neutral, warm white, soft grayish, or creamy ivory, and layer from there. Second, mix your textures intentionally. Smooth linen beside rough jute, polished wood beside matte ceramic. Third, use the rule of 3 when styling shelves or tabletops. Odd numbers always look more natural and organic. Fourth, bring in exactly one unexpected color accent per room. A sage green, a dusty terracotta, a soft slate blue, to keep things from feeling flat. Fifth, use real plants generously. Trailing pothos, eucalyptus stems, dried pampas, and fresh seasonal blooms are non-negotiable in this style. These 5 principles will transform any space. When shopping for a modern farmhouse home, think of every furniture piece as needing to pass 2 tests: Does it feel warm? Does it feel real? Avoid anything that looks overly polished or mass-produced in an obvious way. Hunt for pieces with visible wood grain, hand-thrown ceramic details, hand-woven textures, or beautifully aged finishes. Becki Owens often mixes antique market finds with contemporary clean-lined pieces, a vintage rattan chair beside a modern linen sofa, or an old apothecary jar beside a brand-new sleek lamp. 4 key investment pieces. Prioritize a quality sofa, a solid wood dining table, and a generously sized area rug. These 3 anchor every main living space. Everything else can be layered in gradually, and honestly, that slow, thoughtful build makes the home feel more authentic and deeply personal over time. Understanding Becki Owens' color philosophy is genuinely transformative for your home. She operates in what design experts call warm neutrals. These are not the cold, stark whites or gray-toned beiges of minimalism, but soft, sun-touched tones with golden or sandy undertones that glow beautifully in natural light. When choosing paint colors, test your swatches on the actual wall at different times of day because farmhouse warm whites like Benjamin Moore's White Dove or Sherwin-Williams Alabaster behave very differently in morning versus evening light. Layer your lighting thoughtfully. Maximize natural light with sheer curtains, add warmth at night with soft Edison bulb pendants and table lamps, and use candles generously for that unmistakably cozy farmhouse atmosphere. Light and color working in harmony is the quiet foundation of every beautiful Becki Owens-inspired space. We do not overlook the garage in a truly intentional farmhouse home, and Becki Owens' design philosophy teaches us that every inch of a home deserves consideration and care. Paint the interior walls in a warm white and install simple open shelving in natural pine or whitewashed wood for organized storage. Woven baskets, galvanized metal bins, and labeled glass jars on shelves bring farmhouse character to what could otherwise be a purely utilitarian space. A pegboard painted white and fitted with black iron hooks for tools, bikes, and garden equipment keeps everything functional yet visually cohesive. Consider a vintage-style wall clock, a small chalkboard for notes and lists, and a simple sisal rug near the entry door to soften the concrete floor. Even the garage door matters. Choose a carriage house-style panel door in white or warm gray to complete the farmhouse exterior story perfectly. The farmhouse patio is where early summer living truly comes alive, and it deserves just as much attention as any interior space. Begin with a foundation of natural stone pavers or wooden deck boards in a warm honey tone. Texture at the ground level sets the entire outdoor mood. Choose weather-resistant furniture in natural teak, rattan, or powder-coated steel in matte black or warm bronze. A deep-seated outdoor sofa with thick, sunbrella fabric cushions in faded white or soft stripe invites long afternoon conversations. Layer in a woven outdoor rug, lanterns at varying heights, and terracotta pots overflowing with herbs, lavender, and trailing rosemary for that romantic early summer sensory experience. String lights overhead transform the patio at dusk into something genuinely magical. This is exactly the kind of outdoor living Becki Owens creates for people who love being home. Accessories are where personality meets polish, and in a Becki Owens-inspired farmhouse home, every small object should feel chosen rather than collected. Think of styling as storytelling. A small cluster of aged brass candlesticks beside a linen-bound journal tells a different story than a cluttered shelf of mismatched items. On your coffee table, use a wooden tray to contain and organize a pillar candle, a small ceramic bowl of smooth stones, a single stem in a bud vase. On your dining table sideboard, group items in threes: a tall glass vase, a shorter terracotta vessel, and a small framed print. In the kitchen, lean a vintage-style wooden cutting board against the backsplash as decor. Dried botanicals, pampas grass, cotton stems, eucalyptus, are the hardest-working accessories in this entire aesthetic because they are beautiful, long-lasting, and absolutely free of fuss. One of the most beautiful things about the modern farmhouse style is how effortlessly it transitions through the seasons, and early summer is one of the most joyful transitions of all. Swap out heavier wool throws for lightweight linen blankets in pale sage or natural cream. Replace winter candle scents, think vanilla and amber, with fresh botanicals, lemon verbena, eucalyptus, or fresh white florals. Bring in early summer blooms from your garden or local market, white peonies, pale yellow roses, or wild-looking stems of Queen Anne's lace in simple terracotta or white ceramic pitchers. Layer in a few rattan or wicker accent pieces, a small side table, a fruit bowl, a magazine basket, to give rooms that breezy warm season lightness. These small, intentional seasonal swaps are genuinely what keep a home feeling alive, fresh, and deeply personal throughout the year. Becki Owens has built one of the most recognizable and beloved design aesthetics in the modern interior design world, and it is worth understanding exactly why her work resonates so deeply with so many people. Her spaces always feel simultaneously aspirational and achievable. They are beautiful without being intimidating, polished without being cold. She prioritizes what designers call livable luxury, spaces that look stunning in photographs but are equally wonderful to actually live in every day. Her signature elements include layered warm neutrals, natural material mixing, purposeful negative space, and that seemingly effortless balance of old and new. She never over-decorates. She trusts the beauty of a single well-chosen object. She lets architecture, shiplap, beams, board-and-batten, do the heavy lifting. And she always brings in nature, wood, stone, linen, plant life, and light. You do not need a complete renovation or a large budget to begin living in a Becki Owens-inspired farmhouse home, and that is genuinely the most exciting thing about this style. Start with what costs nothing. Declutter one room completely and experience how much lighter and more beautiful it feels immediately. Then invest in one hero piece, a quality linen throw, a good jute rug, or a beautiful reclaimed wood tray, and build outward from there. Repaint one room in a warm white and watch the entire atmosphere of your home shift. Visit local antique markets or thrift stores with fresh eyes, looking specifically for natural materials, simple forms, and warm finishes. Follow Becki Owens on Instagram and Pinterest for daily inspiration. Take your time, trust the process, and remember, the most beautiful farmhouse homes are always built slowly, thoughtfully, and with great love for the life lived inside them. And there you have it, friend, a full room-by-room, detail-by-detail tour of a modern farmhouse home inspired by the timeless, soul-nourishing design world of Becki Owens, dressed in all the warmth and freshness of early summer. From that charming board-and-batten facade to the string-lit patio glowing at golden hour, every space we explored today is within your reach. One warm neutral, one natural texture, one intentional accessory at a time. I hope this video has filled you with that wonderful feeling of possibility that the best design inspiration always brings. If it did, please give this video a big thumbs up. It genuinely means the world to this channel and helps more dreamers just like you find their way here. Subscribe to the Daily House Ideas so you never miss a new design journey, and leave a comment below telling me which room inspired you most today. I read every single one. Until next time, keep designing the life you love. See you soon.